everybody, today we are making Caribbean stew saltfish from St. Thomas. I used this saltfish to make some spring rolls the other day. In a pan, you're going to put about maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons of just light vegetable oil. You're going to add in a half of one red bell pepper, green and yellow. And then you're going to add in about 1 large onion diced. Keep everything diced about the same. You're going to put in a little bit of Goya adobo to taste. You're also going to add in some garlic as much as you like. I put like 6 cloves and just chopped them up. I took 3 stalks of celery and just finely diced them and kept everything diced about the same size. I put in a half a tablespoon of thyme, and then I also put in some few fresh thyme sprigs that I had left. You could just use dry thyme if you like, or you could use fresh thyme. It's completely up to you. I use both. So you're going to go ahead on medium heat and continue to cook these vegetables. Allow them to give up their water. That water is going to mix in with the oil. I went in and put in a good, nice chunk of my essential seasoning. That was probably about a tablespoon's worth. My essential seasoning has everything in it. Garlic, thyme, all that stuff that you need. It also has a little salt, not a lot of salt. I had some extra tomatoes. I didn't want to go bad, so I just put those tomatoes in there. And here's your soaked saltfish. You want to soak the saltfish and get the salt out of it. I soaked mine overnight. I basically put them in a pot, and in a bowl. I fill it up with water. I pour off the salt. I add more water. I pour it off. I pour it off. I pour it off. Did about 3 times. And then I let it sit overnight in a big thing of water. Big 2-gallon container with full of water so all that salt could come out. Alright, so I added 2 little small packs of Goya Sazon. Then I like the little flavor that the Sazon gives it. And as this cooks in this oil and this water, I know you guys say, oh my god, that's a lot of oil. Yeah, but it needs that oil. You need to rehydrate that saltfish really well because it really dry up. Then add a little bit of tomato paste. Add a little bit of black pepper. And you're just going to allow this just to cook inside of the sauce that it's making really on its own. I added some crushed red pepper. You can add Scotch bonnet pepper if you'd like. You're going to put a little bit of lemon pepper, and you're going to put a little bit of fresh lemon juice. And at the end, hit it with some dry parsley or maybe some fresh cilantro, and that's it. That's stew saltfish. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain this oil off of this saltfish. Then I'm going to put it in my spring rolls. I'm going to roll it up and fry it, or you can take it and put it over peas and rice and eat it just so. It's absolutely delicious. It's a wonderful dish. I'm glad you guys tuned in today. Bye-bye.